Hey guys, what's going on? It is Amy again with Bargain Mama, and oh my gosh, it has been a horribly busy day. Sorry, I was looking at my face. I was like, maybe I should have looked in the mirror before. Anyways, so you are getting a lot of videos. I got off of work. I came home. I made the bath bombs, the bath crayons, the bath paints, all of that. I am making a dessert right now, so I have about 5 minutes to do this video. I'm probably gonna have to stop it and restart it. And then I'm getting ready to do a haul, which I have to do in my kitchen because I'm still cooking and doing everything, and I need some of the stuff. Anyways, I'm exhausted, and it's only 7:45 p.m. So, anyways, guys, let's get started. So, I love Amy with Bella's Bargains, okay? Like, love her. So she just recently did a gift basket thing, a video from Dollar Tree, $6, $7, $8, $9, and $10. And I think the $6 one, she used stuff for the bathroom. And so she used bubble wrap to like poke in the bottom. You guys, I'm so excited that she said that. So I have the little bathtubs, which I'll show you guys when it's all done. But I have the the bathtubs from the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to put this in the bottom, kind of hanging over the edge. And then I'm going to put like the bath bombs and all the bath stuff that I made today, like hanging out over the edge. That was the best idea I've ever seen. Like, I couldn't believe when I saw it. I was like, oh my gosh, I can totally do that. So I just picked it up 12 by 6 feet from the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to put it in my little bathtubs. I'll show you guys. I've never done a haul in my kitchen. I have no idea where I'm going to put stuff once I'm done, but we're going to figure it out. Oh, or it's going to fall off the counter, which it's going to right now. Let me just show you. Oh, goodness gracious. So I'm just going to hold it all. I did just pick up these 2 cookie sheets so that there's 2 in here, obviously. I'm just going to put some aluminum foil over them, and my husband and I need to take cookies to work because we have to. Like, my husband cannot go to work without cookies, and so I'm going to make some. And then I did pick up this, I guess I picked up 2. I don't know why 2. I didn't mean 2. But anyways, this is the 13 by 9 cake pan and lid. I picked this up because also tomorrow, there's 2 of them. Also tomorrow is my husband's like potluck for work. And so I am making the chicken taquitos, which I did put in a video previously. If I can remember, I'll link it down below. Super, super easy. I literally put it in the crock pot before I left for work this morning. And I'm just gonna put it in some tortillas, put it in here, put it in the oven, and it'll be ready for my husband's work. And they are amazing. They act like, it's like you've been there all day. So I just picked these up for my husband to take his food in because I'm not trusting my husband to return it to me is the issue. Yeah. So I always send him with stuff that I don't want back. Yeah, my whole stove. So I've been exhausted. So I picked up the Rockstar Pure Zero, 180 milligrams of caffeine, sugar-free, 12 fluid ounces, 15 calories. I do not ever pick up the ones with sugar just because it has way too many calories, like way too many. Alrighty, let's keep on trucking. I picked this up today because I thought it was so cute. I'm going to take it apart and put it into the little caboodle with the rest of the bath stuff that I'm getting from my son's girlfriend. So this is Body for Bath and Shower. No, Body Raves for Bath and Shower. And it has 2 heart bath bombs, which I guess I could have made. But those bath bombs were not easy that I made. And then it comes with body wash, 50 milliliters. And it is by Enchante Accessories in New York and made in China. Anyway, so I'm going to just take those out and put them in her basket. So a while ago, again, gosh, it was a while ago because I think it was last Mother's Day. Not this last one, but the one before that. I did a video. I'm really going to try to remember to link that one too, but it's so hard. But anyways, I did a video where I used these little Dollar Tree photo albums and make cookbooks, or I'm sorry, recipe books out of them, which I learned from Lyric Lovers Crafts. Love her. Love every video she makes. Like, even sometimes I've been like, let me see if I can like find this in a different like person just to get a different idea. I can't. Like, ooh. Anyways, hold on, my beeper's going off. Okay, guys, I'll try to get this done in 5 minutes. That's when it's gonna go off. Anyways, I'll try to remember to link the video below of how I did it and like how I learned from her to do little recipe books out of these photo albums. So I picked up more to try to maybe get in like one more craft fair before the end of the year. You could literally use them for anything though. This is 48 pockets and it fits 4x6 photos. Super, super simple, easy. Like, so you could use it for Christmas recipe books. You could use it like what I did with mine. I made one, gave it to my mom, and asked her to please put the recipes in it that I wanted and then return it for my birthday. So because I want her recipes and she never wants to give them to me, so I did it. And actually at the top of some of them, I specifically wrote which ones, like the name of the recipe, so that she would write it under it. And then she really did give it back to me for my birthday. So that's why I got these. And then I did pick up just the ultra fine pens to kind of put in a ribbon around them. So there's 3 in each of these. I got one in black, one in blue, and they are the Promax ultra fine pens. Yeah, 0.5. I just picked them up to go with my little recipe book. So I did that. And then I did pick up some of the Scotch double-sided tape. No idea how it works. I'm going to try it for some of my crafting. I really need to get like Gorilla Glue for super glue, and I need to find a really good paper 2-sided glue, like tape, with like, that's like for lazy people, because the Dollar Tree has that one, but guys, I don't want to sit there and be like, shh, like this kind of, like you have to kind of like, I don't know, lay it out. Whereas the ones I get from like Dollar General, but they don't work the greatest, like you just, it's almost like a whiteout and you're like, and it's done. So if you guys know of like a, what is it, like, it's not an HTV gun, but it's like the 2-sided tape gun that's really good with what kind of tape to put in it, let me know, because I would love to know. Anyways, just trying to see what else I have. Okay, so I did just pick up more of these chocolatey covered Marshmallow Man 1.87 ounces because I want to put these with my little hot cocoa gift sets, and I ate all the other ones because I was hungry, and they're only 45 calories, and so I times that by 5, and I was like, huh, that's like a meal, so I'll just eat all of them. So I had to pick up more to be the marshmallows and extra chocolate for my hot cocoa sets, and they also go on my hot cocoa bar because they're amazing. This is what you call, I'm not getting Mom of the Year award again this year. Okay, like I thought I possibly was in the running, probably not, but this has made it a solid bet I am not in the running. So my 16-year-old was like, Mom, can you pick me up Fruity Pebbles? And I was like, man, like, I forgot, honestly. He asked me like a week ago. But I've been making him smoothies for breakfast. But I went to Dollar Tree today and I saw the Fruity Pebbles in these itty bitty little containers, and I was like, score! I am getting this. So I got him one in the Fruity Pebbles, 3 ounces, and they're by Post, and the Cocoa Pebbles, 3 ounces, so that he can eat them for cereal for breakfast in the morning because I am too lazy and tired to go to the grocery store. So yeah, I was like, oh yeah, my son wanted cereal. Let me pick some up. So I picked them up in itty bitty little bags. Definitely not cost effective, but it worked. So I picked these up. I said, Robert, I got you cereal. You're welcome. Try not to get too close because nobody wants to see me all that close. Let me pick up some stuff here. Ooh, good. Oh my gosh, I've already been talking for 4 minutes again. Anyways, my same old sparkling ice cherry limeade, 17 fluid ounces. I didn't think it was in this bag, so I was really sad. So I'm glad it came in. Okay, 43 seconds. I picked these up for my husband's stocking. Sanders Small Batch Wonders Milk Chocolate Sea Salt Caramels, 2.5 ounces. And they also had, just so you know, dark chocolate with the sea salt caramels. But my husband loves caramel, and so I got him that for his stocking. And then I got one of these for my oldest son and one for my husband for their stockings. Milk chocolate with almond, 5 snack things, 0.45 ounces each. They love Hershey's with almonds, so I just take them out, make them look cute, whatever. Put them in their stocking. But guys, I got 8 seconds to check on my cookies, so I'm gonna have to pause the video again and check on my cookies. Okay, y'all, I'm back for real this time. Last time, so gotta go fast. Got to go fast. So these are some things I also picked up from the Dollar Tree that I was very excited about, and I found all 3 of them, but I only picked up 2. And these are the little wooden boxes, and I mean, the wood's pretty good. I mean, I was surprised for $1. I loved the color of my little snowman friend, and my little Santa friend here. And they do turn on. Let me see here. Is it going to turn on right now? Oh, there we go. Hold on. Hold on. Other way. Okay, other way then? Maybe not. Okay, well, it's not on right now. The other one doesn't want to turn on. Well, then we're just going to... Sorry, guys, not used to recording in my kitchen. So I'm definitely not meaning to turn you guys around. Oh, that's not it. Oh! Oh, maybe I just did the other one wrong. And it's changing colors. I absolutely love it. Now I have to see. Oh my gosh, you guys. Like, that's beautiful. Maybe I didn't turn this one enough. This is off and this is on. Did I not turn it enough? I don't think so. Oh. Oh! Oh! We got action. It's changing colors too. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I love Christmas lights. So, that is amazing. I love it. And I just keep hitting you guys over and over. What else do we got in here, guys? Oh, let me show you. So, my haul that I posted, let's see. So, I'm filming this on Wednesday. So, my video that had these in it also came up today, which is Wednesday. So, I picked them up. I can't remember now. But I picked them up for something. Oh, because I'm going to do little, like coloring baskets. I picked up the books from the Dollar Tree, the gnome ones and all that. So the other, I picked up the Crayola crayons that were just the regular. No, they were Galaxy crayons. And then I picked up 2 of the neon crayons that have 8 so that they'll be different. So I picked those up. Keep hitting you guys, sorry. Okay, can we talk about staplers, you guys? I have been looking for a stapler for I don't know how long, okay? I just want a stapler. This is probably not even gonna work very long. But if I find a stapler, where the heck are the staples? Like, even Dollar Tree, like I got this because the staples are in the package. Like everywhere I go, I either find staples, a stapler, or nothing. I have not found any of them together. Dollar Tree had a million staples, or staplers, I'm sorry, not one staple. So I was like, well, I have to get it together. Like, and this itty bitty little thing, I don't know. It's not gonna work, but I'm gonna have to order a stapler online. How embarrassing. Excuse me, could you please deliver me a stapler because we don't have any in our town. So that's why I got that. I'll let you know how it works. I don't think it's gonna work very good. All right, real quick, 99-cent store. And so I picked up 2 of these. My dogs already got 1 each and they love them. And let me tell you, so these are the Chew Bones long lasting beef flavors. So, and there's 5 in here. So let me tell you, our Princess Belle, she is very particular about her snacks. So if we give her a dog bone, first she smells it before we hand it to her, and then she'll take it, and then she'll decide, and she'll just put it down. And so then the other ones run over and get it. But she's very particular, guys. Like, she is picky about her snacks, let me tell you. Oh gosh, dang it. So I picked these up because my tree is going to be like red and white and red and silver, but I've never seen, so these are 12 feet long and it's tinsel garland. But I mean, how cute is that? I love it. So I thought it was really cool. So it's gonna look really cool on my tree. And then, what else did I get? What is in here? Oh, I know what I got. Just silly little things and then we're done, guys. So, I picked up just 36 of the foil cupcake cups just because I need to make cookies and stuff. And then I did pick up these canvas panels 4x6, 3, and they're 99 cents each. And yes, the Dollar Tree has them also, but I was here and I want to put little images on them for my patients to color and put in their packages, like their coloring packages. So when I get everything together that I'm going to be doing for my patients, I will let you guys know. But in the meantime, guys, I still have cookies going. I'm going to show you guys them, which I'm very excited about. So guys, have a great night. I'm sure you're going to be tired of seeing my face and seeing me in the same outfit. Anyways, guys, have a great day. I'll talk to you later. Bye.